Ralph Foster was one of the true pioneers of radio. He was one of the first to realize the vast potential, both educational and as a new, exciting field of mass entertainment. Well, we're at the Ralph Foster Museum, and we're going to check out this fountain. First of all, isn't that pretty? Definitely. Right in front of the museum is where that fountain is at. And let's see. Looks like there's the entrance, right where it says entrance. Very, very neat. This is going to be cool. Right in the door.
You're paid for.
You get to see it. All right, we're walking into the museum. And there it is. Yeah. This is the original truck used on the television series, the Beverly Hillbillies. The truck is made from a cut-down 1921 Oldsmobile. Huh. That is too cool. Look at Granny's seat up there with her shotgun. Yep, this is a really cool old truck to see. I don't say so. Man, this is awesome. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Train stuff. Looks like some old dolls. Look at that thing. Old erector set. That's pretty cool. I didn't know erector sets could do that. Bunch of silver. Wonder if that was for the little girls and their toys, their dolls. There's some awesome antiques. Very neat. Guess if you wanted to make a quilt, you'd probably use that or a shirt or something. Let's see what it says. A walnut loom. And I got some really nice antiques in here.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this one.
I saw it. There's a really pretty one on the other side too. Here's the dentist office for you.
Yeah, I'll do that in a minute. And this thing is really nice. Okay, let's go check out the dental office. I don't see the big needles that you used to use when I was a kid. You probably got them hid. It was about the size of that black thing right there. Got some instruments. (1931) Rolls Royce. Man, that is too neat. Look at that. Look at the front of that thing. Look at that. That is a neat car. I like that little hood ornament there. Look at the artwork on this. That is really neat. Porcelain stuff. Look at all the old clocks. Clocks and watches. And they got all kinds of pocket watches in here. Oyster plates. A lot of old dishes. Look at this dining room table. And this thing. Look at the woodwork on these chairs. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's just unreal. There's the black swan everybody's talking about. That is really cool. Look at these things. Wow. When radio was king, the golden age of music. Look at that microphone. Yeah, that's a pretty cool place. See what else is over here. An old record player. Brenda Lee. Grand Ole Opry stuff. Some old musical instruments. Check out this popcorn machine. Let's see what we got here. That's pretty wild. I'm thinking that that's Barbara Mandrell's little uniform when she was 12 years old. Go back here and check out this radio room. Oh, look at that. He was definitely an outdoorsman for sure. Let's see what we got here. Yeah.
I want you to share with me a little wonderful thing here of the mail that you folks wrote to us during the past week.
Oh, I guess this must have been the old-time teleprompter.
That there are several pieces left behind. This represents
Old wagon here, made in Springfield. That is really cool. It's even got the little covered things so you can make a covered wagon out of it on there. Well, looks like probably one of the first tractors ever made. I don't know, but look at that. You ride in the back, way back here. Pretty cool. And this one here, oh, pretty cool tractors. Let's see what this is. This sucker's huge. I bet it was heavy too. I guess it must have been like a steam tractor of some kind. That's what it says on the side. Look at those gears. Look how they work. And the chains hook up so you can turn it left or right. Pretty amazing. There's some more tractors. Old farm tools, woodworking stuff. Very cool. Let's see what this is. Old blacksmith shop. Look at the detail they put in
There was
this
once a
thing.
time when the sound of a hammer striking red-hot metal and creating necessary metal items used in the settlement and development of the Ozarks was very common in small communities. The blacksmith services included much more than shoeing horses. They also fabricated other essential items that were not readily available on the frontier. Jake Painter, a blacksmith in early Springfield, Missouri, is now perhaps better known for the firearms he crafted on the side, in addition to his smithing.
Pioneer Ozark Cabin. Well, let's go in there, see what it's like. That's pretty cool. Got the little fireplace down there. Boy, this isn't much compared to today's stuff. There's the entertainment. High chair and a rocker. I have one of those things at home. Some pretty cool stuff. And this thing, yeah, an old cabin. Alright, this is exactly what you see when you get off on the second floor. Look at all these guns. Wow. Different lines for sure. Winchester Model 12. Here's a Winchester Model 12. 12 gauge, 12 gauge. Those old pistols. And there's just a ton of guns up here, isn't there? Look at that. I'm not going to look at them all because I'd be here for 2 weeks. I don't think Mama Bear would like that. A grizzly bear. And a polar bear. Says it's a Robert E. Lee replica. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Andrew Jackson's. that's neat. Firearm failure. Looks like it definitely blew up. That's pretty cool. Excuse me, young man. Is there some guns up here that are really significant in history that I can look at or you can tell me about?
For sure. You've already seen the ones through here.
Yeah, but I'm not sure exactly what we're looking at here.
Yeah, for sure. So this is a little Hawken rifle. I know that this is like a very like significant like mountain rifle. So like most mountain men, they use this gun. So it's very much so like
Okay.
it seems like that's like the like mountain gun.
Yeah.
The other one I would talk about is this one over here. This one's really cool. I think this one is a commemorative for Robert E. Lee. So
Okay.
really cool.
Yeah, I've seen that. That's really neat.
For sure. And the other one, I think of.
Now, this one right here, is this like the gun that they used, that pistol that killed Lincoln?
So it wasn't like the same one, but it was like the same model.
Okay, it looked just like these right here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Exact same model. And then the other one I like was this one. This one's just really, really shiny and cool.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Commemorative one.
Was this the one that was on Missouri when they surrendered?
That's a good question. I assume it's probably not like the identical one, but probably
Yeah.
like a copy of some kind.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of looks like the ship that they were on.
That's what
Pretty
I'm
neat.
thinking.
Yeah.
Those are some of the ones that I like the most.
Oh, nice.
Sure.
Now, this one over here, it looks like it was an explosion of some kind.
Yeah, this one was a malfunction. So
Yeah.
this one, they used a different kind of like ammunition that they shouldn't have, and so when you fired it, it just exploded like the whole,
Oh, wow.
the whole thing. So it all just blew up all at once. So that was
Yeah. Now, these over here, the Andrew Jackson ones,
I'm not sure. It doesn't say, I don't think, like why it's there, but I actually might see on here. Yeah, it's just another commemorative pistol.
okay. That's neat. And then I seen one here someplace where they did a duel. Is it this one right
that
here?
Yeah, so once again, I'm pretty sure this is a copy, but this is very similar to what Alexander Hamilton and Burr and Burr used in their duel. So
Okay.
that's really cool as well.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, I appreciate the info here.
It's
Okay.
like basically just him,
Yeah,
like his.
Buffalo Bills.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's really neat.
For sure. Outside of that, the rest of them are just like different kinds of
Just
guns.
different kinds.
So we
And
got
some,
bootleg pistols over there. We got Winchester. We have
okay.
behind us.
I see some have some
Fallon
cannons
guns.
over there too.
Mhm. Got a beer gun up in that corner,
A beer gun.
or a beer gun.
Oh, okay. I thought you said a beer gun like they shoot beers out at people.
And we got Gatling guns, so a couple of bigger ones over here.
Okay. Oh yeah. All kinds of stuff there. All right. Thank you very much. Gatling gun. On loan from the sheriff's department. Automatic weapons of the world. Well, it sure is a fancy saddle. Very cool. Some of the first Americans. Bunch of arrowheads. An Indian on a horse trying to get bit by a snake. Indian stuff. Boy, there's a bunch of arrowheads here. Caribou and a wolf. A wolverine. Bengal tiger. Look how big the head is. That is just unreal. How would you like to have that thing coming at you? I don't think so. Thompson submachine gun back in World War II. Oh, he's growling. Look out. He's gonna get you. More powdery. Let's see what we have over here. World War II stuff. And World War I. Korean War. Pretty nice. Pretty nice, for sure. Plaster horse. Very cool. That's how they did reloading back in the day. Here right next to the museum is this beautiful church. Check that out. We're going to walk up that way and look inside and see what it looks like in there. This is just amazing. Here's the church. Let's go inside and see what's in here. Hi, good. How are you?
Fabulous.
This is an awesome
Isn't
building.
it?
Yeah. Yes.
You have to go all the way down there and then turn around and that way.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
This is too cool. Wow. What do you think about that? That is really neat. We're going to take a look at some of these stained glass. You even have them on the windows down there. And that up there is just unreal. It's Moses, David. Here's the church from the other side. That is one beautiful church. Let's see if it says anything on the side over here. of like when it was built or anything. No, it doesn't. Let's see what this bell is here. It's a replica of the Liberty Bell. That is really neat. And the replica of the Liberty Bell. Very neat. Just missed the bell.